Hello friends, let us focus on important topic that is reactance curves in parallel resonant circuit. Just refer the figure. In this graph I will say exactly opposite things to that of series resonant circuit are shown. In series resonant circuit we are concentrating on inductive reactance, capacitive reactance and total impedance. For parallel resonant circuit we will focus on inductive susceptance, capacitive susceptance, total admittance in the circuit. So if you refer figure or graph, I will say the curve OP, the straight line which is passing through 45 degrees, represents capacitive susceptance. In the right hand side we are shown formula for capacitive susceptance. BC is equal to 2 pi Fc. So if we see, it is directly proportional to the frequency. So as frequency goes on increasing, capacitive susceptance also increases. So it is indicated by a straight line passing through origin. Now refer curve Mn in the graph. Mn represents inductive susceptance. In case of inductive susceptance, formula is written in the right hand side. It is indicated by Bl is equal to minus 1 upon 2 pi Fl. So as frequency goes on increasing, inductive susceptance reduces. So this is shown by rectangular hyperbola Mn. Now with respect to that, net susceptance, that is Bc minus Bl, we have taken Xc minus Xl or Xl minus Xc in case of series resonant circuit. For parallel resonant circuit we will refer to the susceptance part. So it will be Bc minus Bl or Bl minus Bc, which one is dominant. So here for lower values of frequencies we have Bc small, that is capacitive susceptance small, and inductive susceptance more. It is negative, so it is shown in fourth quadrant. So initially we will have Bl minus Bc, which is shown by green line. If you see here, this green line is nothing but net susceptance. Refer this figure, this curve, net susceptance. So this is Bc minus Bl or Bl minus Bc. So this red line and this blue line, the total resultant of this red line and blue line will be a green line, which is shown like this. Okay, so it will be net susceptance Bc minus Bl or Bl minus Bc, whatever is the dominating one. Okay, so this curve takes shape of rectangular hyperbola for some period, and after resonant frequency it takes on the shape of the straight line. So the curve is looking slightly different than your rectangular hyperbola and straight line for your capacitive susceptance. This red line shows capacitive susceptance. Okay, this blue line represented by M and N shows inductive susceptance. Now at the resonant frequency, so this point will be indicated as resonant frequency here, Fr. At this resonant frequency the total admittance will be minimum. Admittance is minimum means impedance will be maximum. As impedance is maximum, obviously current or voltage in the circuit will be also minimum here. Okay, so in this way we can see different curves with respect to parallel resonant circuit.